Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my origami spear. This will be the doru or the dori, I think. So yeah, and also check out my other video as well. So I'll be making the Spartan helmet or the Corinthian helmet. As you can see right here. And the Aspis shield, the hoplin. And I already made the Copus long time ago, so I'll be linking them in the description. Okay, so this will be the second video. So now you want a 4 sheet of paper, A4. This is just a quarter size paper, and you want to cut it in half. Okay, so you have one of these. Okay, now you want to fold it in half. Okay, so then you want to unfold it. Then you want to bring this edge and also in the back this edge to the center line. Okay, fold that right up to the center, and same thing on this side. Like so, and same thing on the bottom as well. Okay, like a paper plate, of course. Okay, and now you want to do the same thing and bring these two edges again to the center line. Okay. Okay, same thing here. And now you want to fold this two edge right here to this center line here. Okay, 2 times. So first like this, same thing here. And again like so. Okay, same thing on the other side. Okay, and right where this corner is, you want to bring this whole piece right here and fold this right across to this corner. Okay, like so, and you want to do the same thing on the other side. So from this corner to that corner there. Okay, like so. Then you want to fold this whole thing in half. Okay, and then you want to fold this piece in half again on any side. like so, and line up that spearhead. Okay. And now you want to fold this in half. Like so, and fold up the side like a paper airplane. Okay, same thing on this side. So, then unfold. Came out a little uneven, but it should look something like this. And now for the bottom spike, you wanna hold just around here where the thick part is, and you wanna open up this pocket and kind of adjust it so it looks the same on both sides. Okay. And now, in order to round this out a little bit, you wanna kind of fold it in half again. Okay, on the bottom side. Okay, use your fingernail to get in there and kind of roll it out with your hand. Okay. So here's the doru spear. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.